Found out today that on the same day we bombed an all-girls school, because I didn't even know girls went to school in Iran based on the propaganda. I was assuming they were all in burqas at home learning homemaker things. I don't know anything because I'm in America where the propaganda is thick. Turns out we missed our mark and landed on a gym. Guess who was in the gym? Little girls playing volleyball. Little girls. I didn't even know they had girls volleyball teams in Iran, but now I do. And now I know. I'm a volleyball coach. I coach little girls every year. And I find out, can you imagine if I was just coaching and they just dropped a bomb on the gym I am at? What is wrong with you people that you cannot think outside of yourself? What is wrong with you that you can't see suffering and go, oh my gosh, I caused that? Those little girls did nothing to us. They were not taking your jobs. They were not harming you. They were